here I am with another unboxing. A new package just arrived from Amazon today. This was a same-day delivery, which is great of them. I was checking for the item last night and I was lazy. I decided to buy this again. It's my second purchase of this. And they told me it will arrive by 10 p.m. Guess what? It arrived by 6 p.m., which is way better. Good. So what do I have inside? I bought this a while ago. When you buy this, it is there to last, but then I gave it to a friend of mine, and now here I am buying it for myself again. And what I have in here is this. And this one here is to clean your monitors, like the screen of your monitor. Good. It says here, and it is the reason I've chose this in the first place, no alcohol, harsh chemicals, ammonia, silicone, perfume, or harsh fumes. Good. This is powerful green chemistry, quick drying and smear free. I like my devices and I'm trying to take care of them as much as I could. Sometimes I do stupid things and I damage them, but most of the times, 2-3 years later, they look like brand new. They say in here, what's the name of this? This is Ecomoist. This is the name. Ecomoist Natural Cleaning Kit. Now, I had a big 34 inches screen, I think. Right now, I'm not using it, so no need for me to clean as often. But I have a laptop. This is what you have in the box. I have a laptop which needs, from time to time, cleaning. It's a touchscreen laptop, so the prints don't stick that well on it. So I never felt the need of buying this again. But anyways, here it is again. Why? Because practically it costs nothing. I paid £12 on it, and on Amazon it was saying that if I buy this and support the small businesses, I get a £10 voucher which I can use during the Prime Day. And I told myself, oh, this is a good way of buying something for only £2. I think it's £3. So here I am. I bought this. It is good. It was good in the past, and it cost me only £3. After I will use the coupon they gave me, but I have to wait for that 10 more days until the Prime Day will begin. Good. So this is what you get. Is the, I don't know the name of this in English. Sorry about that. And disperser. Let's name this a disperser. And then this is the bottle. They also have refill bottles. So if this finishes, you can buy a new bottle. And what I will do with you, I will clean my laptop because it needs cleaning. Done. Job done. It's very easy. I had a different brand before and it was greasy and it wasn't doing the right job. This one is perfect. I don't know if you can see it there, but I can see it. It is perfect and there was no effort into doing that. This product, it is really good in my opinion, and this small business should be supported. I don't know who does this, like who's the producer, but just go on Amazon, search for it, buy it, and you are supporting a small business. And that's it. There is not that much to say. I can tell you. In my opinion, this does a very good job. If you struggle in deciding which one to buy, I will recommend you, or in my opinion, you should go with this one because it is a safe bet. Ecomoist. This is the name.